Peterbilt here. We're going to be using our handheld code reader. We've got a 6-pin Deutsch plug-in, which is the same pin connection that we've got up in underneath the dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and connect this, kick this on, and we're going to see if we pull any codes off of this. Now, a few important things is you're going to want your connector plugged all the way in. You're going to make sure that your key is set to on, and then you're going to go ahead and energize the unit. Now, this is a very basic one, so it's pretty simple to navigate through the menus here. The very first option it gives you is if you're plugged in with a 6-pin or a 9-pin, we're going to go up to the 6-pin, and we're going to hit enter. See, it's communicating to our truck. It's saying that it's got 2 components, and it's got 5 fault codes right off the bat. Okay, so we're going to go into the menu, and we're going to go ahead and view faults. Okay, so it's telling us that we've got 5 faults in here. So I'm going to read these off. This is for the brakes power unit. The ABS warning light bulb is current. The current is below normal or open. Okay, so we're going to have to check out that light. Make sure everything's good on it. The next one is the wheel sensor on the ABS, also for the left front axle. Yep, this is for the power unit, also for the other ABS unit. Okay, so I'm guessing that they were working on brakes and they haven't plugged everything back together yet. But that's basically how you would get to the reading your fault codes, and then you would actually reference the manual so you could break this code down and get to the nitty-gritty and see what you've got to continue on in your troubleshooting process. Okay, this is the handheld reader. This is a 1979 Peterbilt, a little bit older. We're going to jump onto the computer unit, and we're going to be using that on the TranStar, a little bit higher tech and stuff, okay? We've got our computer here. It's got the jowl test diagnostic program on it. We've got the appropriate connector, our 9-pin Deutsch plug, and we're going to hook it up into the truck, and then we're going to go ahead and start pulling some fault codes. Okay, so we just plugged into the data bus there. The datalink, not too big of a deal. Oh my god. Alright, and then we're just going to click on this center one, which is connecting. Right, give this a little bit of time to load up. Oh my god. So we are finally logged into the jowl test scanner here. We've got a few codes pulled up for this TranStar. I'm sorry for the beeping. I'm sorry for the engines running, but we got work to do in shop, you know what I'm saying? So here are the different codes that we got, right? So this is for the ABS. We're going to click on this connect up here. And it's going to give us a little bit more amplifying information on this component that's having an issue, that's giving us the fault code. It gives us the part number, serial number, software version, all kinds of stuff. The ECU data for it. It gives us parameters, monitoring. I mean, anything and anything you could ask for. This will all help you in your troubleshooting, in your configuration, or in your troubleshooting, diagnosing endeavors. So it's got apparently a diesel control common rail. It's got an error on it. Let's see what we've got going on with this one. Pretty cool. This is a jowl test diagnostic tool. Here we go, system check. Oh, engine stop right here. We can check. We can do all kinds of testing on this just on our, just by connecting it simply by the Deutsch plug. Tons of things to be done. Much more than I can even explain in this short video. Great tool to have. Not all shops have them. That's why we demonstrated how to check using the basic handheld readers as well.